Doosan Machine Tools sets the global standard. We continue to focus on customer-driven product development and challenge the industry status quo to bring you satisfaction and inspiration beyond your expectations, providing long-term solutions through the eyes of our customers. We are Doosan Machine Tools. We have expanded across the globe. We have built our networks across Asia, Europe, America, and the rest of the world. Doosan Machine Tools' superior technology is engineered through the expertise of our master technicians, who have continued to push and extend the limit of what is possible. Doosan Machine Tools has grown exponentially over the past 40 years. We continue to advance our industry across the world by studying and partnering with you, our customers. Through our customer-centric process, we strive to offer optimal solutions for your market. Doosan Machine Tools runs the largest R&D center in the country, playing a central role in the development of machine tools technologies. Together with our customer-oriented product development system, we use FEM analysis-based product designs to bring our customers the most reliable machines. We are equipped with the world's top production system, which utilizes a flexible manufacturing system and standardized efficient manufacturing tasks. Our rigorous quality management focuses on customers' priorities, allowing Doosan Machine Tools to offer high-performance products. To identify customers' needs, we operate the Optimal Solution Center. Doosan Machine Tools provides our customer integrated services ranging from technical assistance to on-site services, parts supply, and training. We are available around the clock through one-stop 24-hour troubleshooting services. Automotive, aerospace, medical, energy, information technology, construction. We fulfill our customers' needs across a range of industries in major markets around the world. Doosan Machine Tools introduces market-leading products through DIMF, our factory open house, and all major global trade fairs of the industry. We have rolled out over 30,000 units each for Lynx, Puma, DNM, and Mink series. Our product lineup has exceeded 330 machine models and system applications. These are the genuine source of our pride. Doosan Machine Tools continues to expand our high-quality product lineup to grow with you, our customers around the world. We seek a global top 3 place in the market. Under the belief that our growth is possible only through your growth, we will gain and keep your trust through continuous efforts toward industry-leading innovations. Doosan Machine Tools, the reliable partner.